Holy cow. Snow's up. It's hard to tell, but the snow's up against the door. It's all like a tornado of snow. Look at the door. Oh, I can't. Hold on. Look at the door. Oh, it's alright. They won't wake up. You don't want to go out there, Riggs. That's insane. Oh, go back. Can't even tell where the stairs are, or where the driveway is. I know. Yes, this is a whiteout. I'm soaking wet from the snow, just standing here, not even a minute.